Welcome back, guys. I'm just at Deer Farm. I'm picking up a nucleus of bees that is going away. Some lad's having them. He's had a nuke off me before. It was a ram pack nuke, and he's having this one that's on nationals, because I don't really use nationals, and I plan like next year on not using any nationals, just all Langstroth. Make my life easier. So yeah, I'm just picking up nuke bees. It is the one with the blue door. Who's that knocking on the blue door? See all that pollen off the grass? They're still active. So what I'll do is I'll close up the blue door, chain them up, lock them in, make them prisoner for a bit, and I'll put the green one in their place so it collects up field bees. I'll like put the green one in the middle, and then yeah, they're going. And then I've got the double stack at home with Rob Random's bees and the two combines to bring up and go on the stand. Although I might put them straight down onto the hive that they're going to go in. They've got a luxury pad for Rob Random. We have. It's got windows and everything. There it is, look. They're going in that, I reckon. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yesterday, I had a freaking nightmare. I dropped a box full of bees. It was a freaking absolute mess and chaos, and I got stung loads. They all went up my legs, up my trousers, because I didn't have my socks, trousers tucked into my socks. They went up my legs, they stung my legs. Oh, I tell you, it was a nightmare, and they were really some really pissed off bees. Not good. Don't ever drop a box full of bees. God mercy have on the Lord. Shit. Painful. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, and yesterday I went up the farm yesterday to put clearer boards on, ready to take a bit of honey off for the farmer and stuff, and I noticed the bottom Aperie, someone's been back down there. They've come in the old way. You can see fresh tracks where they've come in, so someone's been visiting. That's fucking annoying. Like, you know, what right someone got to go roaming around someone else's land off the footpaths. Two, going, oh look, beehives, let's go over and have a look at beehives. And then three, coming back again. And I'm pretty certain that they've been in the beehives at the bottom, all the bottom Aperie. I'm pretty sure that they've been in the hives, because the bricks have been different. I put my bricks on, you know, if they're queen right. You know, like a lot of beekeepers do, stand bricks up when they're not got queen and things like that. And when I've gone down there, bricks have been in different places and things, and I've thought, because I'm a bit forgetful and stuff myself, which is a lot why I do the videos, so I can go back at the video and reference, you know, and to remind myself what's going on, what I need to do and things like that. And yeah, the bricks are in different places on the videos between visits, so someone's definitely been down there. Obviously I put a trail cam up. That needs to be checked, so I'm going to get that to the farmer Friday when I take the honey off for them, and they can check that and see if we caught anything on that. But yeah, that's pissed me off, because, you know, no one's got the right to say, oh look, there's a load of beehives, let's go and have a look in them, because you don't know what they're doing. They could be stealing out Happybees Honey Red Bull Tiger Queens, you know. Or they could be setting up waiting for you to put your clearer boards on. As soon as the clearer board's on, they'll know that you're about to take honey off. They could come snatch your honey, or they could even set up, steal the hives. Look at all this equipment here and all these bees. That's some money's worth there. I know you shouldn't think about it like that, but you know, it's took time, it's took money to set all this up. Yeah, not happy. Could be like military style stakeout. I'll fucking build a hive and I'll be in it. It'll be big enough for me to get in, and then yeah, they'll pop the lid and out will pop Marky with fucking angry Mark with a ninja sword. Summit's, you know, I'm gonna have to look at some security measures. It's just, you know, these bees are good, they're safe, but they know who comes and goes. So, and there's no reason for no one to come over here. So, yeah, it's not good. Bad day yesterday, basically. So I need to crack on anyway. Get these bees sorted. Hopefully not drop fucking no bees. God, I just got stung earlier in the garden up my leg and all. One went up my trouser leg. Good job it doesn't hurt no more.